Recording on Truckload of Ads 2022, February 2022. This great site is a graphic exchange website. As you can see right here, there's no referrals. I just started. I upgraded. They say it's one membership, but it's actually two. Upgrade to 10 and you get $5 off. Now they send a promotion since 20. You get $10 off. You get $10 affiliate. That's it. I just started. Month of February, a couple of days ago, maybe 2 days ago. Page, which is this right here. This is my account, edit my account information. You get private messages. You got advertisement here. That's Square Banners. Oh man. Yeah, so advertising Square Banners. I guess you pay for the Square Banners. 0 Square Banners impressions. You get the banner stats, view assign, impressions, and then of course you put you put the website image, and then the website to read it back up. And you pay for that $7 per banner. It's not bad. Then you got the upgrade. Upgrade is $10, but they saying another upgrade about 20, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know what you get additional to 20 other than the 10. Now, after you upgraded 10, you get $5 commission. They're saying your account is activated, but you have full access of all promo codes. By upgrading, you will also receive the following. Then you go 20, you get $10 commission lifetime. It's an option to become a site owner and add your own promo codes offer. Upgrade member can do this. You must be the upgraded first. You must be up with bonus of 10,000 Square Banners ads and promote your website. 10,000 Square Banner ads. I guess if you go to one of the things, you get the $20,000 Square ads. I don't know. Like I said, I'm offering 10. You want to join with $10. Link is in the description. I gotta see the $20 upgrade. I don't know. I'm gonna do working first. Like I said, I just started. You can click on all these right here. Traffic exchange right here. And site owner area. What's that? The site owner area. Okay. I don't know what this is. Offer the members here, proven buyer, and freebie seekers. Your account does not allow this, because I guess I gotta be a $20 one. Ads. Maybe ads. So you can join all these. Create a Gmail account because you get emails galore. Look at this, and you got what? 12 pages of these. All of these you can join. That's just traffic. You know, I'm going to be promoting Matrix Pro Leads. Look it up. That's a lead generation tool where you get leads, buyer leads, not seeker leads, buyer leads. Because if you places people looking for, not another opportunity, but pretty much to help them with their advertisement. So Matrix Pro Leads, join my Matrix Pro Leads. How does it work in 2022? I'm gonna title that my video for Matrix Pro Leads. How does it work? How does it work in 2020? How does it work in 2022? Or how do we get unlimited pro leads? How to get unlimited leads in 2022? I'm gonna title one or the other with that. So now, claim your ads. Yeah, see, you got traffic exchange 12. You got viral, SafeLink viral mailer, text ads exchange. Let's click on that. You got so much to know. This ad session. You can just gotta create an email account, but you can get so much emails. So many, they just gonna spam the hell out you. How to one email. You just create a Gmail account just for you follow me. You need to create one for these safe lists and these viral mailers. You gonna follow me because I'm joining a lot. I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos with my Matrix Pro Leads because that just complement safe lists and because you get a lot of traffic, a lot of cheap and free traffic. So okay, next one. We want to building. Look at that. Look, all more traffic, ban ads, these more traffic. If people come to your page, they better join you in all these. It's a lot of traffic with this website. It's a lot of Tim and okay, on the affiliate part. Affiliate part, you got the referrals, your commissions, and promote. Then you got promote right here. Y'all don't mean that's one of the perks of living life. That's the downline building right there. These are more traffic right here. You can join all your affiliate ID right there. Yeah. So the last affiliate too. Now you got this one extra. I guess that's the referral commission. Well, the extras is track your ads. So it's a link tracker and splash page built. I think it's a lot of stuff for this joint for $10. Well, that link is not coming up, so man, that link is not coming. So with the extras, track your ads. A lot. You get a lot for just $10. You get a lot. It's one time, 10 hours. Not every month, one time. So cash track bar. I don't know what this is. They saying you got this. Simply add your URL site and promote online. Easy to use tracker bar. Then promote cash track. They got a whole video on that. That's what they give you a video.
Tracking your online advertisable. Tracking can appear to introducing
But yeah, I don't know. You pay for that or what? Was a monthly or one time? I don't know. That's a new one. They tracking your link, but it would tell you where where your tracker. You might want to look into that. Click the link down below to join. It's one-time lifetime join up. It's $10. It's a $20 one. I'll do, if I upgrade to 20, I'll do another video on it. But right now, so click the link and start up to join. They want you to join at least the first one, which was $10. That was a no-brainer. I just did it and joined up, which is $10. A lot of traffic from the site. Truckload of ads. This website, the video was done for 2022. Great traffic source. And then I'm going to use it before Matrix Pro Leads. And then when I do my Matrix Pro Leads, I might do it on this, with this connect, because I was using it on this website right here. Thank you. This is Thomas. And thank you.